All right. So if you guys have chairs like I do that have holes and they don't look good, they've been out in the sun, and we're gonna have guests over, and you want to avoid this kind of stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys a way to cover these things. Now, they have these covers that I was able to find that makes it look really good. So I choose this color. We're gonna set this up right now so you guys can see before and after. Look how ugly the seat looks with all the rips and cuts, and also not very decorative. So we're gonna clean this up. We're gonna set this up. All right, so we're gonna set this up. All right, here's the finished product. Now, this thing is very flexible. All right, you can flex it, very stretchable. It fits on pretty much any chair you have. You could change any chair to any color you like. The patterns on it, little leaves, beautiful little leaves. Now, you can't ever tell this was an ugly chair. You can't see any of the rips on it, and the material is very stretchable. It took me about 1 minute to set this whole thing up. Right now I bought a set of 4. I'm gonna set up on my table, my chairs, and of course you could sit on it. It's just like a regular chair. You can't even tell if it didn't rip. Beautiful. These, if somebody spills any wine or beer or food, you could take them off. Washable. So we're gonna put this to the test if it's waterproof. Here I have a dry sheet. If you guys can see, it's a little wet. I did wet it earlier, but that's about it. We're gonna see if this could be completely dry. So we're gonna put it underneath here. You guys can see it's gonna go here, and we are gonna use the circular part of it. You can clearly see the paper there, and we are going to spill some water in there. Let's get some water in there, and then let's go ahead and spill it. All right, look at that. You can clearly see where the water dispersed. Now let's dry it up. All right, let's dry it up. All right, let's see underneath of it. You can see there's a couple drops here and there. All right, now we're going to see underneath. There you go. It's perfectly dry. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.